Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Core 57S and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and let's focus on the photo settings. Here we have the picture quality at the second position. So when we pick this, we can pick from the quality super fine, fine or normal. So this is how it works. Of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, so the super fine. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.